What's up guys, my name is Dave, welcome back to the UK Aspire Vendor YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Aspire Prestige NEEKO RTA. So here is the box. This is the NEEKO RTA. This one is in stainless steel, one of three colours which are available. Let's just have a look around the back of the box and see what's inside. We have the NEEKO RTA. We have a spare drip tip, which is the long boy. We'll show you that one when we open the box. Spare glass section, which again we'll show you. 12 airflow pins, of which 2 are pre-installed inside the tank. We have a screwdriver, 2 spare grub screws, an O-ring pack, 2 rubber barks, which we'll explain what they're for when we open the box, and a user manual. Nice and easy. So have a look at the bottom of the box. You'll see Aspire's standard scratch and sniff. If you were to enter that on Aspire's website, once again you will confirm that the device is genuine and authentic and safe to vape. Let's open the box and see what it looks like on the inside. So you'll see now the box is open. Nice little bit of embossed branding on the inside of the box there. So let's move that to one side. And there is your tank. We will look at the tank later on. If we pull that out, underneath the tank you will see this little envelope. Inside the envelope you will find an instruction manual for the NEEKO RTA. Underneath that you will find this nice slip of card, very nice indeed. Underneath that you will find the spare glass section, which this is the one that most people tend to go for. I'll show you what that looks like on the tank shortly. You'll also find the long boy drip tip that we like to call. This is the one that I personally would prefer to use, and what we'll do when we get back up top, I'll put this on the tank and show you what it looks like. Also you'll find a bag containing the aforementioned rubber bark. This is branded Aspire Prestige. This is basically designed to help you open the tank, just to give you a bit of extra grip. There is 2 enclosed in the box, one for grip in the top and one for grip in the bottom. You'll also find in the box this little bag which contains your screwdriver, your O-rings and 2 spare grub screws should you need them. And now for the main event. The big selling point of this tank. So if we just pop this nice bit of foam out here, you'll find a plethora of airflow insert pins. These are designed to replace the airflow pins that are pre-installed within the tank, so you can tailor make your vape depending how you like it. You could go for a smaller intake and a larger hole near the chimney, or you could go for a larger hole on the intake and a smaller hole on the chimney. We'll talk about the pros and cons of these up top. The NEEKO RTA is made primarily of stainless steel and PSU. The drip tip itself is PSU. Most of this device is made of stainless steel. It measures 22mm in diameter from the bottom, so this will fit on most devices, and I must admit this thing is stunning. Any of the 3 colours, it's a stunning looking device, very nice and sleek. No branding whatsoever on the side of the tank. This is a stunning looking tank. What I'm going to do first off is I'm going to take off the drip tip that's pre-supplied, and I'm going to pop on what we call the long boy. It's going to be quite dry as this is brand new. However, a couple drops of e-liquid on there and this will slide on very nice and smooth. Now what we're going to do is remove the top section. So it is a case of unscrewing 90 degrees and the top will just come away. The first thing you'll notice when you remove the top cap is the airflow pin sitting up top near the chimney. The pre-installed one is 2mm, which matches the same one that's on the deck. We'll leave that one in there for now, and then what we'll do is we'll unscrew the tank and show you what the deck looks like. What we're going to do now is use the supplied rubber bark just to unscrew the tank section with, just to give you a bit of extra grip. Excuse me. There we go. And there is the NEEKO, with the deck now separated from the glass. And here is the deck section on the NEEKO tank. 2-post design, very simple, designed for single coils. There is the other airflow pin, which you can remove using the screwdriver inside the package. On the bottom you'll see the usual markings. We have NEEKO RTA, the CE marks, and as usual, do not vape in a bin. The Aspire Prestige logo, and one thing we should mention that this is the first Aspire Prestige product designed and manufactured exclusively by Aspire. To remove the airflow insert, simply grab the screwdriver that was supplied inside the box and you simply just pop it out. Let's get it on both sides and that pops out nice and simple. You can run this tank with no airflow inserts whatsoever. That would give you a 4mm bottom airflow and a 4mm top airflow. It will give you a restricted direct to lung draw, which some people do prefer, myself included. So what we're going to do now is just pop this airflow insert back in there, change the glass and see what it looks like. Simply push that down. That is now installed. Let's grab our second glass section now. This is the one that I prefer, and if I'm honest, this is the glass section that we tend to see more people using. It is a bit more stylish. You can see your e-liquid level near the bottom. If you can see that your juice is running low through this frosted glass, then it's time to refill. To remove the glass from the NEEKO RTA, all you need to do is quite simply pop your finger inside the chimney and give it a push. Glass will pop out, very easy. Then all you have to do is grab the glass that you wish to use and quite simply just slide that onto there. Glass is now installed. There would be your chimney. To finish the process, all you have to do is screw the deck section into the glass and the chimney. To finish the tank, all you do is grab your top section with whichever drip tip you choose to use. We have now added the long boy drip tip, and all you have to do is find the notch on the top cap, there it is, and give it a little push and turn round. Very simple. The NEEKO RTA is now complete with the new glass and the new drip tip. Let's take a look up top now and then let's talk about this tank. What's up guys, welcome back up top. Let's just have a quick rundown of the NEEKO RTA. Now as mentioned, you do get 12 airflow inserts inside the whole box, 2 of which are pre-installed, 2mm on the top, 2mm on the bottom. The airflow inserts range from 0.8mm, which is a very tight mouth to lung draw, all the way up to 2.5. You also have the option of not running any airflow inserts whatsoever, which gives you 4mm. Max, top or bottom, whichever you prefer. The one thing we have noticed and the one feedback that we have from this tank is that if you were to run the bottom airflow slightly larger than the top one, you will tend to get a lot more e-liquid getting sucked up into the chamber, which can result in either gurgling or a lot of condensation within inside the chamber. We do recommend that you put a slightly smaller airflow insert in the bottom than you would the top. That then would prevent the gurgling, it could prevent the condensation, and then you can control the top airflow with whatever you prefer. We're not going to be doing a review of this tank today, as there are plenty of review videos available on YouTube, of which we will link down in the description, so feel free to check those out after you've watched this video. I'm sure they would appreciate it if you would go to their channel and say, hey, UK Aspire vendor sent me here from their video. So that's it, a nice, simple, quick one with the Aspire Prestige NEEKO RTA. It is available right now on our website, which is ukaspirevendor.co.uk. If you could give this video a like and subscribe, and also ring that bell so you get notified whenever we upload new videos, we would really appreciate that also. So this one's been really simple. This has been an unboxing of the Aspire Prestige NEEKO RTA. So as always, my name is Dave from UK Aspire Vendor. We'll see you in the next video.